अच्छा ये इस ट्वीट पे कोई बात
हाँ
करेगा?
यार, this is
बेचारा
very-
इलॉन मस्क,
इसमें
इसको
actually
क्या हुआ?
इलॉन
Below the
मस्क
belt.
की ज्यादा इंसल्ट हुई।
What was the
Below the
need to
belt.
do this?
नहीं, बिलो द बेल्ट क्या, इसको इसने अपने आप को झापड़ मार दिया भाई।
nonsense है ये।
जब उसको ये पता था तो चुप क्यों था यार?
हाँ, exactly.
He's
Why was he
basically
going
shot himself
along?
in the foot. He's done a Rahul Gandhi out here.
Okay, so those who are not just listening to it and not watching it, it's Elon Musk's tweet, which he did where he said, "Time to drop the bomb. The real Donald Trump is in Epstein files. That is the real reason that they have not been
But
made
you've
public."
taken this out of context.
He's
The
it was
fight
after the
started.
fight. Okay, so
The
somebody
fight
wants to
started
explain
earlier.
how. So between Trump and Musk, the fight started, and then finally it came to this level where he did this, and then there's no going back.
Musk benefited from
No,
it.
the Democrats and not
You're
just
fighting
benefit
Democrats.
analysis.
It's not just me. It's the Democrats who are saying it. It's the late night comedians who are saying it. It's the news media in America which is saying it. That Trump had no hesitation in taking Musk's money when he was there, and he agreed to all the low budget and you curtail government spending, all that. And now when he doesn't agree to it, he brings Sam Altman there, asks this guy to go. Tariffs aa jate hain. He doesn't agree to what Musk is. He brought initially Musk in for. He just evicts Musk from the team.
I think-
I'm not justifying.
No, no,
Listen
I'm
to what I'm
just-
saying. When he does this, and then Musk, whether he's justified or not, in throwing a tantrum, a hissy fit on Twitter, on X, in what he did, the whole thing just unraveled crazily in a couple of hours.
Madness.
And this was the final straw.
But I think he's deleted
But it
this
was
from what I
building
remember.
up.
It's deleted.
Not
It's
this.
deleted. Are you serious?
Yeah, he
It's
deleted it.
Look at the
I think
QT,
he
it's been
deleted it.
deleted.
From what I remember
Wow.
yesterday. He deleted it yesterday when the lawyer came out saying that no, he's seen
I'll
the
say-
file and
yeah,
the
Elon
name's not
Musk
there.
deleted his post.
Is it written?
My
yeah,
God.
yeah. See, I'm telling you. So the lawyers came out and
Shocking.
said we've seen the papers and Trump's name is not there. So you have to
And
delete
Kash
listen.
Patel
So, and this
was
is what
on
he
Joe
was-
Rogan's show. Kash Patel said that nothing of this sort has happened. The Joe Rogan show was amazing.
Yeah.
Because it happened live. While this thing was blowing up,
he was
had Kash
interviewing
Patel
Kash.
on the Joe Rogan
Okay,
show.
so my thing is that the fight was not immediate. It was building up. Sam Altman and other things were also part of that build up. But I personally think it started because Elon Musk made the big mistake of not keeping some distance between him and Donald Trump. After having helped him, he was constantly next to Donald Trump. And then he was, it's okay to do it. Maybe it's not okay anywhere. But he would take his kid all over. The kid is playing, digging his nose. There's a certain
He's
sanctity.
a president now.
He's
Yeah.
the president. There's a certain sanctity. If you're doing it in Mar-a-Lago, it's one thing. You're doing it in the White House, it's another
Familiarity,
thing.
yes.
You
उसमें
were
वो
doing.
मिडिल क्लास वाले बच्चे को भी साथ ले गए उधर से,
हाँ,
पापा के साथ खेलने
अच्छा
बैठे।
वहां पर ट्रम्प वाज
पापा के साथ थोड़ा
जो यहाँ पर नहीं होता ओ मेरा दोस्त है
हाँ,
यार
हाँ।
सब लोग
बेटा गाना सुना दे
people
जरा।
don't keep that distance. So I think that was one factor. The other factor was I think the first problem started when that fellow, that Peter Navarro, when that spat happened on the tariffs issue. I think that was the first when he said this guy's a moron, which probably he is right. Musk is right. And then it just continued to build up. And I
वो
think
NASA का चीज़
what
भी उन्होंने-
what this guy started doing, Trump started doing is, like any politician would, that you don't want to push the guy aside, but you start hinting by bringing in some of his
वो इसको समझ में
competitors.
नहीं आया।
वो धीरे करके escalate होते जा रहा था. And then the last straw was, of course, this particular bill, where again I think Trump did have a point that, as a politician, as a president, you have to agglomerate a lot of interests. And you can't do things simply, that might be the right thing to do, what Musk is saying. But you can't do it simply because there are multiple competing interests. तो वो बीच में से कुछ फैसला
Fundamentalists
निकालना
can't
पड़ता है.
make deals.
Yeah.
The art of the deal is that entire book is about not being too stuck up on anything. It's about don't have too many firm. Know what your limits are. Put your negotiating position there so that when you finally settle, you come back to the median. Elon is too doctrinaire. See, Elon is like our friend Abhijit out here. He doesn't seem to understand that the book is a guideline. Reality is lived. Reality is a negotiated experience. Just because the book says something doesn't mean everybody does it in their real life. Living is a negotiated experience.
The Republican
gives and takes.
Elon, which is to say American Abhijit, doesn't know or understand
अब तो अमेरिकन आनंद बोल दे.
यार इसकी पीठ से कोई छुरा निकालते जाओ.
honestly.
Poor guy.
Sorry.
You know now.
Hello, you started it. You started it. You called him Abhijit.
I have never.
Abhutto.
Yes.
And
You
he
are
took umbrage to
responsible.
it. He said मेरी insult कर रहे हो.
बहुत बड़ी इंसल्ट आज तक
अच्छा.
गिवन ही नहीं करी इतनी बड़ी इंसल्ट.
The Republicans, there are many in the influencers in the Republican Party who've been demonizing Elon Musk for quite some time. वो थोड़ा सा है. There is a mad genius to that man. He's extremely wealthy. He's not got where he has gotten by not being a genius. He is a genius, and there's a madness to the man. He's also doing drugs, openly doing drugs. So uska sara reaction is not like a normal person's reaction. He doesn't understand familiarity nahi honi chahiye itni. You know, to bring one little anecdote which you were talking to me about this middle class thing. Maybe it's apples and oranges, but I must tell you this, that when I.K. Gujral became Prime Minister, nobody expected Gujral to become Prime Minister, not even Gujral. When he became Prime Minister, what happened was he had this group which was in India International Centre. He used to have coffee with every day. He also had a group, he would go for walks in Friends Colony Marhani Bagh, which is an upscale area in Delhi. So these were very strong groupings, and this was this old world Delhiites, you know, the partition ke baad jo aaye hue hain, and they were this chummy kind of group. Now he becomes Prime Minister, and they thought it's their right to go to 7RCR, which is the Prime Minister's residence, because
morning
ये
walk.
अपना ही बंदा है यार, हम लोग यहाँ पे morning walk कर लेंगे. You know, we'll have our coffee with him like we do in India International Centre. Bhai, now he's Prime Minister. So initially,
Equations change.
Gujral Saab being Gujral Saab was very polite and kind and nice and, you know, entertained them. But then there is
हर रोज ही सुबह
हाँ,
गुड लगा.
but there's a grouping that comes and says you cannot do this. Then those guys turn around and say, हैं तुम हमारे दोस्त के साथ ये तो
बदल गए
प्रधान
तुम.
So then what happens? Then the Prime Minister himself has to intervene and say, bhai, you cannot. There are certain protocols. You can't just come in and go out, because he remembers what happened with Narasimha Rao.
Yes.
Chandraswamy used to come in and go out, and there are no entries. So Gujral then realized
I
this
think
cannot
we are-
happen.
we are extrapolating a
So, no,
little.
no,
but
it is important. What I'm trying to say
it is
is
very important,
that this is the same thing with Trump. That now you are president, certain things which you might have promised your buddy when before you became president, once you become president, there's a whole other significance.
I must come in here.
And you
I
can
must come in
balance-
here
sorry,
because
please,
my reputation
yeah.
is being sullied.
No, please. It's
Number
your right.
on multiple levels.
It is
Please,
your right.
Abhijit.
हाँ.
Abhijit,
It
speak.
is your
speak.
right.
Abhijit, बोलो.
अब इन-
मैं ये
इससे-
200 वाला lip gloss लगा लूं.
हाँ, meanwhile
She was trying to pass off. I asked her for her iPad and she gave me her sasti
रुपए
200 रुपए. She can't even afford Channel or Ivy St. Laurent.
Charlie number 5.
Ouch.
Chanel number 5. Channel number 5 है, not
Channel
Charlie number 5.
एक Charlie भी तो होता है.
Charlie भी तो.
Char-
My
but
God.
Charlie was just Charlie.
Which Charlie? The Charlie who does? The Charlie
No,
that.
Charlie perfume.
There was
Charlie.
a perfume called
But
Charlie.
you know what Charlie is
Charlie
also a
perfume.
thing for.
हाँ, I know. But the Charlie.
यार्डली पाउडर भी था.
हाँ, Yardley powder.
Charlie-
और Camay का soap. Do you remember Camay का soap? Everybody used
जो
to get
NRIs लेके आते थे
NRIs
Tiffany में.
मैं सिर्फ लिरल से नहाता था.
मैं लाइफ बॉय.
Not life boy.
से.
हमारे को
मैं लाइफ
पता
बॉय
है.
से.
लाइफ. अच्छा can I
मैं प्याला प्याला
तंदुरुस्ती है जहाँ
शीशे
तंदुरुस्ती
जैसा
की रक्षा
साफ.
करता है
तंदुरुस्ती की
life-
रक्षा करता है लाइफ बॉय.
लाइफ बॉय है जहाँ तंदुरुस्ती है वहाँ
लाइफ
तुम्हारे को इसके पैसे मिलते हैं क्या?
कुछ नहीं मिलते, जीरो अंडा.
By the way, Lifebuoy had this molecule called triclosan, which is anti-malarial. But anyway, so
What?
yeah.
So we were putting
तभी नहीं बचा.
अच्छा, I never used.
Anti-malaria.
I never used कहते हैं. देखो भाई
I
हमने
changed.
use नहीं किया.
हाँ.
हम तो सिर्फ कौन सा?
Camay.
Camay.
Lux.
Lux.
Was it
It's
this
my
triclosan?
favorite.
Was it a quinine extract?
Triclosan. नहीं, it's a different.
It's a complete
matter.
The Lux ad, please मेरे को Lux का नमक वो नकल उतारने दो.
लक्स में तो हेमा मालिनी थी ना?
नहीं,
शाहरुख
Lux
भी
में
था.
Lux
हाँ,
में
सारी
हाँ.
actresses.
शाहरुख और शाहरुख था.
So
शाहरुख भी
Lux-
था.
शाहरुख with
So
all
this
the
is my
actresses.
childhood thing which I said in another podcast, which I have to tell you this, that you know when we used to do voiceover, हमको सिखाया जाता था कैसे voice करना है, and I always had this कि मेरे को इसके जैसे voice करना है. There used to be an Nirmala Mathan करके, there used to be a newsreader in Bombay Doordarshan. हाँ, so she used to do the voiceover for Lux, and hers was Lux Supreme, oceans of lather to caress your complexion. Lux Supreme, you'll never use anything else again. ये वाली आवाज में मैंने बात
Cigar
करी.
वाली.
You know, so when I went to All India Radio, so at that time, you know, there used to be this
Yeah.
Date with You करके एक music show होता था, and there was Forces Request, and there were like these things for which. So when I went to do my audition, I said I will talk like this. First take, I got okayed because I would talk like this, you know. And then when it was time to do voiceovers for Doordarshan, I wouldn't talk the way we are talking now. It was the Prime Minister, Dr. It wasn't Dr. Manmohan Singh. The Prime Minister, Rajiv Gandhi, today announced. Satak se, first take. Okay.
Abhijit used to use hamam, but he would drop it all the time. पता नहीं क्या.
Hi, जी.
नहीं, but सुनो एक मिनट. कहाँ पे थे, कहाँ से आ गए? देखो मतलब good guys never win. I give up. चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा है यार यहाँ पे.
अब बोलो ना अब तो
जब मिलता है तो तू उस पे आ जाता है.
See, he's saying Abhijit is a good guy.
ट्रम्प की बात चल रही थी, ठीक है, कि ट्रम्प जो है ना थोड़ा सा ही हैज टू टेक केयर ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड यू नो ये नहीं कर सकता. ट्रम्प हैज बीन प्रॉमिसिंग cuts in the American budget for more than 12 years. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उसने Elon को प्रॉमिस किया है. In fact 2016 से पहले वो प्रॉमिस करता आ रहा है. 2000 of course given caveat है कि politician है, he'll renege on his promise. But that doesn't mean कि ट्रम्प की गलती नहीं है. So please let's not get away from that. Trump has rationalized his inaction, which every politician does.
या तो that
But
is what
let him not
politics
get.
is.
हाँ ठीक है, मान रहे. उस पे Elon की क्या गलती है भाई?
तो उसको समझना इतना मेच्योरिटी होनी चाहिए ना कि ये करेगा आदमी.
$200 बिलियन है और ये समझ नहीं सकता है क्या?
ये तो इतना बड़ा ढक्कन है.
Oh God!
और जैसे एलन ने सब
सारे
अपने promises
गालियाँ.
fulfill किया.
He has done the Dakkan also. He has done everything else.
Last
नहीं,
time,
but listen,
last time
ये
he ढक्कन
बड़ी
the amount
problem
of
हुए थे भाई.
firefighting he had to do
नहीं,
for
but
him.
listen, तू कितना बड़ा ढक्कन है. अब तेरे को ये बात नहीं समझ आ रही कि यार वो पॉलिटिशियन है.
आ रही है ना.
अब तो फिर इलॉन को भी आनी चाहिए ना.
नहीं, Elon अपना पॉइंट ना रखे, एक्सपोज ना करे
पॉइंट
hypocrisy. ये गलत है.
ये
भाई,
जो
एक
है
मिनट.
देखो, देयर इज नो हिपोक्रेसी इन दिस.
अरे
दिस इज रियलिज्म.
Yeah.
politician going back on his word is realism. not
Politician
hypocrisy.
going,
If you don't understand that, you
you
can
are
never
an
be a
idiot
realist.
if you take a politician on his word.
You are
Bhai,
a
what is
mujahid.
wrong with you यार?
अब ये तो डिस्कशन ही नहीं हो रहा ना.
तो डिस्कशन हो ही नहीं सकता.
You
इसमें.
rationalized all the inaction of every politician.
रैशनलाइज नहीं, तुम्हारे को थोड़ी अकल दे रहे हैं बॉस के. ऐसे ही होता है, ये
I
जिंदगी
can't
है.
disagree with that.
Look
It's a
at
fact.
अच्छा,
Abhijit,
one minute.
Abhijit,
Shashi
Abhijit,
Tharoor-
I can
Shashi-
honestly tell
One
you.
second, I'll give you an example.
Shashi Tharoor को देखो यार.
नहीं, listen.
What he's
Abhijit,
doing.
honestly,
नहीं, but what is he is not doing anything. Look,
Smita, you
what
need
is
to
wrong with
understand.
what Shashi Tharoor is?
There's nothing wrong.
Smita, you need to understand this fellow Abhijit.
स्मिता कर दिया इसने मुझे. I'm
This
Smita now, and she's
Abhijit fellow is more of a Kattarpanthi Wahhabist Salafist than Abu Musab al-Zarqawi.
ईद के दिन ऐसा
His
बोल
name
रहा है.
should be.
Abu Zarqawi was not a Qattar,
He was a Salafi.
but he was not Qattar.
He was very
क्या था,
Qattar.
No,
liberal था?
no, he was very
Discuss.
liberal.
Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi.
वो भी बड़ा लिबरल था. एक अपने
सारे
तरह लिबरल
Qattar,
था.
there is nothing like fundamentalist. Excuse me.
This fellow should be Abhijit al-Zarqawi.
अच्छा, listen, but the point is that pragmatic तो होना पड़ेगा. Now India is like Taliban are our bum chums. Myanmar में whoever is the in charge, whether junta, whether it is anybody in
You have
charge,
to deal
we
with
have to
whoever
deal
is
with
there,
them.
yaar.
Only, yeah. And now if
But
Mohammed
I guess
Yunus ne at last
No, I just
elections
remembered
are-
something that I must
please,
say
then
in
I
favor
will.
of
Last
Modi
time
because I
Tennessee.
remember it after an hour. You said कि देखो मोदी को कोई गालियां दे उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि वो स्टेट का सोचता है. अब मुझे याद आया जब हम बात करें ना म्यांमार तालिबान वगैरह की कि मालदीव्स के साथ भी हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे हो गए. सो दिस इज +1. आई एक्सेप्ट इट कि मोदी अगर चाहता तब तो कहता कि भाई तू है कौन जो हमें गालियां दे रहा है. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
THKBC हो सकता था.
करेक्ट. और अब वो अपने घूम फिर के मालदीव्स आ गए अपने साइड. सो दिस इज
But-
प्लस फॉर मोदी.
Yeah, but coming to the
I agree.
but
No,
coming
wait,
to the Elon,
coming to the Elon, and
thing,
then I
see,
want
Elon,
you to tell me what's going to happen with Tharoor.
Yeah, but Elon runs a company, and I'm sure in the many companies he runs, there have been times he may have taken one decision and would have to change it in interest of the
Correct.
shareholders,
Yeah.
in his interest, in interest of technology, and just like that is justified. And I know the story that on a Christmas Eve he takes a U-turn back, goes back, lands in wherever the Twitter files are, all of them. He cuts off the wires and fires 800 people, though he had said that they will be fired after 6 months. So if it's in interest of the company and he can take a turn, Trump is in interest of the United States of America. And I think if Elon can be
his own
pragmatic
politics.
for his company, which is the right thing in putting shareholders first, Trump has to do what is right for his politics and his country. And you can, again, in hindsight, say it's not, it's correct or not correct. But Trump's doing what's practical.
talking of foresight, not hindsight, yaar. Foresight.
But that is for later. But in hindsight.
He said it 12 years ago.
Yeah,
so it's
all
foresight. It's not hindsight.
But Trump
Boss.
says he's cut $1.6 billion. $1.6 trillion.
No, one
He's
second.
saying that
Yeah,
1 point-
all
he's giving
politicians
accounts.
announce so many things.
But
Elon
it's too
Musk
funny.
is
But
in
it's too
deep
funny.
shit now. He's in deep. मैं पता हूँ क्या करने वाला है ये ट्रम्प क्या करने वाला है इसको वो इटालियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर से इसका एक्सट्रेडिशन करवाएगा
क्यों?
जैसे वो विकीलीक्स वाला कौन था भाई
ऐसे कैसे होगा?
क्या नाम था?
Julian
Assange.
Assange.
हाँ
Assange.
मस्क इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर असांज
नहीं नहीं
इसका क्या एक्सट्रेडिशन
Ram.
करवाएगा?
करवाएगा मैं सोच रहा हूँ चेस का फोल्डिंग
नहीं, उसको they're saying do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.